Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do training transfer in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get a ton of reward from this game. Let's get started. So let's tap the club button, tap your player list. If you have unused player or you have a player that you want to sell, it's very wise to do training transfer. So in case if you notice, I do have two Barella here. This is the first one, Nicolo Barella, TOTS, I mean Team of the Year nominee player. And also I just got Nicolo Barella, the TOTS player. So I got this level, 15 level from training transfer from used Nicolo Barella. So in order to use the training transfer, all you have to do is just tap on the player this and do this training transfer. So his experience, the Barella experience, will be transferred to another player that a you need. So for example, this one, Nicolo Barella, I want to transfer your training level into my Marcus Rashford. So you need 50 training transfer point. You can get this training transfer point from the store you can purchase, or from the event, or from the quest. So there is so many ways to get this training transfer point. So let's just tap this. There will be a 10% experience loss during transfers. Tap confirm and done. The Barella will be become zero on training level because of his experiences transfer into Marcus Rashford. And if you notice, Marcus Rashford is level up into 29. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click that button below. See you in the next video.